Yeah, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Ago, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. Basically, in this video, I'll be showing you how to mute and also how to unmute your friends and families statuses on WhatsApp. Yes. I made a mistake. You know, while you're moving through WhatsApp, you can easily make a mistake and unmute somebody's status. And I found out there's a mistake, and I tried to figure out a means of unmuting the person. And once I figured it out, I said, let me share it with you guys, because I know maybe most of you find yourself in such a situation whereby you mistakenly muted your friends or maybe your family's statuses on WhatsApp, and you want to actually unmute it. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So before we proceed, in case you're a new visitor, Blogging for Tech, like I said, is the name of the channel, as you are seeing, and I would like you to maybe like be part of this channel. You can easily do that by hitting the subscription button, which I will normally say is that red button below this video that you are watching. So hit on it and also turn on the bell notification and place it to all, so that you always get notified whenever I release a video just like this. So what do we do in this channel? Blogging for Tech is basically a technology channel whereby we dish out tutorials on how-tos, and we also cover topics that ranges from cryptocurrency, how to make money, affiliate marketing, WordPress, blogging, mobile tutorials, desktop PCs, laptops. That's what we normally talk about in this channel. So I will indulge on you like I will always do, to hit the subscription button so that you be part and parcel and you get notified whenever I release similar important videos just like this. So let us go back to business, and which is how to mute and unmute WhatsApp status. So like I said, this is my WhatsApp account. I've already opened it, and I'm in the status section. You know, the first navigation is the chat, and you can easily switch to status, and these are the statuses of my friends. So maybe let me use the first status for example. If you want to mute, let me say this first person's WhatsApp status, what you will do is to long press on the person's account, and once you long press, you see a dialog box that will pop up. So it says that mute Unzubechi status updates. And the information there is that new statuses updates from Uzbeki wouldn't appear under recent updates anymore, which means that once you mute, or once I mute this person's status, I will no longer see updates from her status. So yes, I want to do that because practically I want to show you how it is done in this video. So I'll tap on mute from the dialog box that popped up. So automatically, whenever Unzubechi releases or includes any status updates, I will not be able to see it. So you can do this to maybe any of your friends, colleague, that you don't want his or her statuses to keep disturbing you on WhatsApp. So you can easily do that. So now I've showed you how to mute WhatsApp status. So how can you unmute this? This is a big deal. So omitting WhatsApp status is quite easy. So you don't have to say, pass through the stress of going through your settings or whatsoever. You can still do it right from this page. So now you can move to your status. As you can see, there are lots of statuses from my friends. So all you have to do, and I believe yours might be similar. So all you have to do is to scroll to the very bottom. You can see these are all the statuses. I've gone to the bottom, and what you now see at the bottom is this down arrow key which says muted option. So I'll tap on it, and as you can see, this is the Uzubechi, a friend of mine that I've muted her status. So if you want to mute this status, all you still do is to tap on it, and you now see that unmute Uzubechi status updates. That's the question. So you say that new status updates from Uzubechi will now appear under your recent update. So yes, I want to unmute it. If I want to cancel, you tap on cancel, but I'm actually want to unmute it. So I'll tap on unmute. So which means that once Uzubechi releases a new status update, as you can see, is now appearing in my status update, I'll be able to see her status. So you can see how easy it is for you to mute and also unmute WhatsApp status of your friends. So after watching this video, I'd like you to try it out and see if it works for you. So, and if you find this video informative enough, you can easily hit the thumbs up button. Yes, let it be a means of appreciation that yes, this video you like it. And also go to the comment section and leave any comments if you're confused in any way, or you want to gain more information about this channel or maybe about this video. You can also tell me in the comment section, and I will speedily attend to your comments and requests. So with that, we've come to this video, to the end of this video, and we've basically learned how to mute WhatsApp status and how to unmute WhatsApp status. So carry this out and try it out. Yes, it will work for you. So with that, we'll come to the end of the channel. And like I said from the beginning, Blog Infotech is the channel. If you go to the channel, you see lots of videos that I've uploaded. They are useful to you. So try go to the videos that I've uploaded and watch each and every one of them. And also hit the subscribe button before you leave. So we'll meet in my next video. Thanks and bye bye for now.